Maths Part 1st, Standard 10th, Unit number 1, Linear Equation in 2 variable. Practice set 1.2, Example 3 to 6, Graphical method. Hello friends, I am Rajendra Jadhav. Today we are going to learn about Maths Part 1st, Standard 10th, Unit number 1, Practice set 1.2, the remaining part of practice set 1.2, example number 3 to 6. Solve the following simultaneous equation in graphical method. Here the equation first, x plus y is equal to 0, and second 2x minus y is equal to 9. First find out the ordered pair of xy coordinate. First write down this equation. X plus y is equal to 0. Write down this equation in y form. Y is equal to 0 minus x is a minus x. The value of x, y is equal to minus x. First give the value of x. X is a 2. Then the value of y, y is equal to minus x. Then put the value of x is a 2. Then the value of y is a minus 2. First pair is a 2 and minus 2. Second, put the value, give the value of x is equal to 0. Put in equation y is equal to, the value of x is equal to 0 minus 0 is equal to y is equal to 0. 0 0 ordered pair. Third, give the value of x. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus x and minus 2 minus minus plus, therefore the value of y is equal to plus 2, minus 2 plus 2. Then fourth ordered pair is value of x is 3, and then y is equal to, put the value of x is 3 minus 3, and therefore value of y is minus 3 and minus 3. या ठिकाणी समीकरण 1 वरून त्याच्या 4 क्रमित जोड्या, निर्देशकाच्या 4 क्रमित जोड्या मिळवलेल्या आहेत. तसेच दुसरे इक्वेशन सुद्धा आपण y बरोबर लिहिणार आहोत आणि त्याच्याही 4 क्रमित जोड्या मिळवणार आहोत. राइट डाउन फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. First this equation in y form, 2x minus y is equal to 9. In y form, y goes to the right hand side. Write down second equation in y form, 2x minus y is equal to 9. Therefore 2x minus 9 is equal to y. And the equation y is equal to 2x minus 9. Give the sum values of x. Here the x is equal to 3, and find the y. Y is equal to, value of x is 3, 2 into 3 minus 9. Therefore 3 to the 6, 6 minus 9 is equal to minus 3. First ordered pair is 3 and minus 3. Then next, give the value of x is 4. Therefore put this value in equation. Y is equal to x minus 9. 2 into value of x is 4 minus 9 is equal to 4 to the 8. 8 minus 9 is equal to 8 minus 9 minus 1. 4 and minus 1 is the second order pair Then next, give the value of x is 5. Find the value of y. Y is equal to 2 into value of x is 5 minus 9. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Third ordered pair is 5 1. The next sixth ordered pair, give the value of x is 6 and find the value of y here. 2 into value of x 6 minus 9. 6 2s are 10. 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. And 2. या ठिकाणी 4 बिंदू स्थापन केलेले आहेत. या 4 बिंदूतून एक रेषा काढायची आहे आपल्याला. ड्रॉ लाइन इन 4 पॉइंट्स. This is the line in equation x plus y is equal to 0. Then next plot the 4 ordered pair in this graph. First is 3 and minus 3. 3 and minus 3. 3 in x axis and minus 3 in y axis. 3 and minus 3 is here. 3 and minus 3. Then next 4 and minus 1. 4 in x axis and minus 1 in y axis. 4 minus 1. Then next third point 5 1. 5 in x axis and 1 in y axis. 5 1. And fourth point 6 3. 6 in x axis and 3 in y axis. Draw parallel line in this. Draw a line in these 4 points straight line. And this line in this graph to x minus y is equal to 9. These two lines are intercept in 3 and minus 3. या दोन रेषा आहेत एकमेकांना 3 आणि 3 आणि वजा 3 या बिंदूमध्ये छेदतात. म्हणून द सोल्युशन ऑफ गिवन सायमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन, here the solution of given simultaneous equation, write down here the solution of given simultaneous equation is, here the x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -3. या ठिकाणी दिलेल्या समीकरणाची उकल 3 आणि वजा 3 आहे. दोन रेषा एकमेकींना 3 आणि वजा 3 या बिंदूमध्ये छेदतात. See the next example for solve the graphical method. First here find out the ordered pair of this equation. First equation is 3x minus y is equal to 2. First write down in the y form. पहिल्यांदा y बरोबर करून समीकरण लिहा. is equal to y is plus to right side and 3x minus 2. या ठिकाणी y जर उजव्या बाजूला गेले तर अधिक झालं आणि हे 2 अधिक आहे ते या बाजूला आल्यानंतर वजा झालं. म्हणजेच ते समीकरण काय आलं, y बरोबर 3x minus 2. Give the sum values of x and find the value of y. Here first value of x is 0. Put in the equation y is equal to 3 into 0 minus 2 is equal to 0 minus 2. The value of y is minus 2. And first ordered pair is 0 minus 2. And second, give the value of x is 1 and then find the value of y. Put this value 1 in equation. Y is equal to 3 into 1 minus 2. 3 1 are 3. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. The value of y is 1. Second ordered pair 1 1. Third, give the value of x is 2. Y is equal to 3 into 2. Put the value of x 2 minus 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 2 4 is the third ordered pair. Fourth, give the value of x is 3. Y is equal to 3 into 3 minus 2. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7 and 3 7 is the fourth ordered pair of this equation. या पद्धतीने x च्या किमती 0 1 2 3 अशा घेतलेल्या आहेत आणि मग त्यावरून y च्या किमती काढलेल्या आहेत. पहिल्या y ची किंमत आली -2, 0 घेतल्यानंतर, नंतर 1 घेतल्या 1 4 आणि 7 अशा पद्धतीच्या किमती आलेल्या आहेत. Then next find this equation order the pair 4. First write down this equation in the y form. 2x minus y is equal to 3. Therefore y goes to the right hand side and 3 goes to left hand side. 2x minus 3 is equal to y is plus. Therefore equation y is equal to 2x minus 3. Give the sum values of x. या ठिकाणी x ची मी 0 किंमत घेतो तर y ची काय येईल पहा. Put x is equal to 0 in this equation. 2 into 0 minus 3 is equal to 2 0 0 minus 3. The value of y is equal to -3, and 0 -3 is the first ordered pair. Then give the next value of x. X is 2. Put this 2 value in this equation. Y is equal to 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 minus 3 1. Here the value of y is equal to 1. 2 1 is the second ordered pair. Third value of x is here 3. Put 3 value in this equation. 2 into 3 minus 3 is equal to 3 2s are 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 3. And fourth value of x is here 4, and then find the value of y. 2 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. This is the fifth ordered pair of this equation. या ठिकाणी समीकरण 1 व समीकरण 2 याच्या 4 क्रमित जोड्या मिळवलेल्या आहेत. या 4 जोड्या आलेख कागदावर स्थापन करायच्या आहेत. त्यानंतर ह्या 4 जोड्या या समीकरणाच्या आहेत त्या आलेख कागदावर आपण स्थापन करणार आहोत. प्लॉटिंग दिस 4 ऑर्डर्ड पेअर इन अ ग्राफ. या ठिकाणी x च्या आपण कोणत्याही किमती घेऊ शकतो. एनी व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ गिव x आणि त्यावरून y च्या किमती काढणार आहोत. प्लॉट दी 4 पॉइंट ऑफ फर्स्ट इक्वेशन and 4 coordinate point of second equation in the graph paper. First plotting this point 0 and -2. 0 is the x axis and -2 in the y axis. Then this point is the here 0 -2. Next 1 1. 1 is the x axis and 1 is the y axis coordinate 1 1. 2 4. 2 in a x axis and 4 in a y axis 2 4. And third is 3 7. 3 in x axis and y axis 7. 3 and 7. Connect 4 point in a straight line. Draw a straight line in these 4 points. This is the graph of this equation 3x minus y is equal to 2. Then plot 4 point of this second equation 0 3. 0 is the x axis and -3 in a y axis. 0 -3. Then 2 1. 2 in x axis and 1 in y axis. Here the 1 1. Here 2 1. 2 1. 3 3. 3 in x axis and 3 in y axis. This point is here 3 3. Then 4 and 5. 4 in x axis and 5 in y axis. 4 5. Draw a straight line on this 4 point. Draw a straight line on this 4 point. Then 2 line intercept to each other in this point. Here the -1 and -5. This is the solution of this equation. -1 value of x is a -1 and value of y is equal to -5. Therefore the solution of the solution of given simultaneous equation is x is equal to -1 and y is equal to -5. अशा पद्धतीनं हे उदाहरण सोडवते. दोन रेषा एकमेकींना -1 आणि -5 या बिंदूमध्ये छेदलेले आहेत. त्यांची उकल आहे -1 आणि -5. See the next example number 5. Solve this simultaneous equation by graphical method. Example number 5. First equation 3x minus 4y is equal to -7 and 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Find the ordered pair of first equation. Fourth ordered pair find here. First write down this equation in the y form. दिलेले समीकरण पहिल्यांदा लिहून घ्या आणि ते y च्या रूपात लिहा. Here the first equation 3x minus 4y is equal to -7. Write down y form. Here the -4y goes to the right hand side and 7 goes to the left hand side. -7 is the plus and 4y is a plus 4y. Therefore 4y is equal to 3x plus 7 and then value of y is equal to 3x plus 7. 4 goes to the dividing. This is the value of y and this equation is the y form. हे समीकरण y बरोबर केलेलं आहे. आता या ठिकाणी x च्या आपल्याला काही किमती घ्यायच्या आहेत आणि त्यावरून y च्या किमती काढायच्या आहेत. First here the give the value of x is -1. Put this value -1 in this equation. Therefore y is equal to 3 into -1 plus 7 upon 4. 3 minus 1 minus 3 plus 7 upon 4. Therefore value of y is equal to -3 and plus 7 is a plus 4. 4 upon 4 and therefore value of y is equal to 1. And this is the first ordered pair of this equation. Then next give the value of x is a 1. Put this value in this equation. Y is equal to 3 into 1. Here the value of x is 1 plus 7 upon 4. Therefore y is equal to 3 1 is 3 plus 7 upon 4 is equal to 3 plus 7 10. 10 upon 4 is equal to divide 10 by 4. 4 2s are 8 remaining 2. Here the 20 4 दुनी 8 राहिले 2 त्याच्यावर घेतले 0. 4 5s are 20 and here the value of y is equal to 2.5. 2.5. Second consecutive ordered pair of this equation is 1 and 2.5. Third, give the value of x is 3. Put this equation, value 3 in this equation. 3 into 3. 3 into 3 plus 7 upon 4. 3 3s are 9 plus 7 upon 4. 9 plus 7 is equal to 16 upon 4. 4 4s are 16 and therefore the value of y is 4. Here the value of y is 4 and 4 3 are the third order pair. The next 4, give the value of x is 5. Put this 5 value in this equation. Y is equal to 3x plus 7 upon 4. therefore y is equal to 3 into value of x is 5 plus 7 upon 4 is equal to 5 3 is 15 plus 7 upon 4, therefore 22 upon 4, 15 plus 7 22, 4 5 is 20, remaining 2 4, here the give the 0, remaining 20, 4 5 is 20, here the value of y is equal to 5.5. 5.5. This is the fifth ordered pair of this coordinate. या ठिकाणी हे चार निर्देशक आपण निर्देशक बिंदूंच्या जोड्या काढलेल्या आहेत, एका समीकरणावरून काढले आहेत. हे आलेख कागदावर आपण स्थापन करून घेणार आहोत. पुढील इक्वेशन 5x - 2y = 0 याची क्रमित जोड्या आपण पाहणार आहोत. See the next equation. Find out 4 ordered pair of this equation. First write down this equation in the y form. 5x - 2y is equal to 0. Therefore 5x is equal to -2y is plus 2y, and therefore 5x 2 goes to dividation is equal to y. Therefore the equation y is equal to 5x upon 2. या ठिकाणी समीकरण हे आपण y बरोबर करून घेतलेलं आहे आणि या समीकरणाची किंमत आल्या 5x/2. आता आपण या एक समीकरणामध्ये x च्या काही किमती घेणार आहोत आणि त्यानंतर y च्या व्हॅल्यू काढणार आहोत. फर्स्ट हियर गिव द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x इज -2. put the value of -2 in this equation. Y is equal to 5 - 2 upon 2. 5 - 2 -10 upon 2. 2 5 is 10 and -5. Here the value of y is equal to -5. Here the first ordered pair -2 and -5. Second, give the value of x is 0. Therefore put this value. Y is equal to 5 into 0 upon 2. Here the 0 upon 2 is equal to 0. Therefore value of y is 0. 0 0 is the second ordered pair. Then give a third value. X is equal to 1. Put this value in this equation. Y is equal to 5 into 1 upon 2. Here the 5 1s are 5, 5 upon 2. Here 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. 2 5s are 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. with 0 त्याचे शून्य घेतलं. 2 5s are 10. Therefore the value of y is 2.5. 1 minus 1 and 2.5. Then fourth, if the value of x is 2, put this value in this equation. या ठिकाणी x बरोबर 2 किंमत घेतलेले या समीकरणामध्ये ठेवा. y बरोबर 5 into 2 upon 2. 5 2s are 10, 10 upon 2. Here the 2 5s are 10 and the value of y is equal to 5. Fourth ordered pair is 2 5. या पद्धतीने या समीकरणांच्या किमती आलेल्या आहेत. क्रमित जोड्या 4 मिळवलेल्या आहेत. या आपण आलेख कागदावरून स्थापन करून आलेख पद्धतीने हे समीकरण आपण सोडवणार आहोत. The next example, plot the point. First equation is the coordinate point -1 1, minus 1 in x axis and 1 in y axis. This is the point here, minus 1 and 1. The next 1 and 2.5, 1 in x axis and 2.5 in y axis, 1 2.5. Then 3 4, 3 in x axis and 4 in y axis, 3 4, x axis 3 and y axis 4. And fourth coordinate point 5 and 5.5, 5 in x axis and 5.5 in y axis. Draw a straight line on these 4 coordinate points. This is the graph of equation 3x minus 4y is equal to minus 7. Now plot the point of second equation, minus 2 minus 5, minus 2 and minus 5, minus 2 in x axis and minus 5 is a y axis, minus 2 minus 5. Then next 0 0 0 0 is the here, 0 0. Then next 1 2.5, 1 and 2.5 is the here same point. And fourth 2 5, 2 in x axis, 5 in y axis, 2 5. Plot the straight line on this 4 point. This is the graph of second equation. Equation is the 5x minus 2y is equal to 0. Two lines are intercept in point 1 and 2.5. This is the solution of given simultaneous equation x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 2.5. Write down here the solution of given simultaneous equation is x is equal to here 1 and y is equal to 2.5. या पद्धतीने ह्या दोन रेषा एकमेकींना 1 आणि 2.5 या बिंदूमध्ये छेदलेल्या आहेत, म्हणून दिलेल्या समीकरणाची उकल x बरोबर 1 व y बरोबर 2.5 आहे. Solve the sixth example, simultaneous equation in graphical method. Equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 4 and second 3y minus x is equal to 4. First write down the equation in the y form. 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. 4 goes to left hand side. 2x minus 4 is equal to plus 3y. 3y goes to the right hand side. Here 2x minus 4 upon 3. या ठिकाणी 3 गुणाकारात आहे, तेथे कुठे येईल भागाकारात, म्हणून y ची किंमत काय झाली हियर द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ y इज इक्वल टू 2x minus 4 upon 3. This equation is the y form. हे इक्वेशन आपण काय केलेलं आहे y रूपात लिहिलेलं आहे. आता x च्या किमती ठराविक किमती घेऊया कोणत्याही आणि त्या पद्धतीने 4 क्रमित जोड्या मिळवूया. आता किमती घेताना विचार करा की शक्यतो पूर्णांकामध्ये उत्तर येईल किंवा मोठी संख्या येणार नाही, या पद्धतीने किमती घेऊया. First value of x is a minus 1. Put this value in this equation. Y is equal to 2 into minus 1 minus 4 upon 3. Therefore y is equal to 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 upon 3. Minus 2 and minus 4 is a minus 6 upon 3. 3 2s are 6 minus 2. Here the value of y is a minus 2. First pair is minus 1 minus 2. The second, the equation value of x is a 2. Put value 2 in this equation. Here y is equal to 2 into value of x 2 minus 4 upon 3. Therefore 2 2s are 4 minus 4 upon 3. 4 minus 4, 4 upon 3, 0 upon 3. Here the dividation is 0. The value of y is 0. Then the second consecutive pair 2 0. Then third value of x is 5. Put value in this equation. 2 into 5 minus 4 upon 3. 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 4 upon 3. 10 वजा 4. या ठिकाणी 6 minus 3. 3 2s are 6. या ठिकाणी किंमत आली 2. जे 5 2 ही याची किंमत आलेली आहे थर्ड पेयर. नेक्स्ट गिव द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ फोर्थ x is 8. Put this value in this equation. Y is equal to 2 into value of x is 8 minus 4 upon 3. 8 2s are 16 minus 4 upon 3. Therefore 16 minus 4 12 upon 3. 3 4s are 12. Here the value of y is 4. This is the fourth paired ordered पेयर. या पद्धतीने या समीकरणाच्या 4 क्रमी जोड्या मिळवलेल्या आहेत. त्या आपण आलेख कागदावर स्थापन करणार आहोत. यानंतर पुढील समीकरणाच्या 4 क्रमी जोड्या मिळवूया. फाइंड द फोर्थ ऑर्डर पेयर ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन. 3y minus x is equal to 4. First write down the equation, this equation in the y form. 3y minus x is equal to 4. 3y is equal to x is goes to the right hand side is the plus x upon 4. Therefore value of y is equal to x plus 4 upon 3 goes to the dividation. This equation is the y form. या ठिकाणी समीकरण y रूपात लिहिलेलं आहे. x च्या ठराविक किमती कोणत्याही घ्या आणि त्यावरून y च्या किमती काढा. Here first write down the value of x is minus 4. First put the value in this equation. X is minus 4 plus 4 upon 3. Here the 0 minus 4 plus 4 0 upon 3. Therefore the value of y is equal to 0. Minus 4 and 0 is the first ordered pair. Then next give the second. X value of x is a minus 1. Put this value in equation. Y is equal to minus 1 plus 4 upon 3. Minus 1 plus 4. Here the चिन्ह भिन्न आहेत. मोठ्या संख्येतून लहान संख्या वजा करून मोठ्या संख्येचे चिन्ह. 3 upon 3 is equal to 1. Therefore value of y is 1. Minus 1 and 1 is the second ordered pair. Third, the value of x is 2. Y is equal to x is the value 2 plus 4 upon 3. या ठिकाणी x ची किंमत 2 घेतली. 2 अधिक 4 छेद 3. 2 plus 4 is 6 upon 3. 3 2s are 6. Therefore the value of x is 2. या ठिकाणी x ची व्हॅल्यू पण 2 आलेली आहे. फोर्थ द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ x is 5. थर्ड पेयर 2 2 5. Put the value in this equation. Y is equal to 5 plus 4 upon 3. 5 plus 4 is 9 upon 3. Therefore 3 9s are 3 3s are 9. Therefore y is equal to 3. अशा पद्धतीनं एक्सच्या किमती घेऊन आपण वायच्या किमती मिळवलेल्या आहेत. ही चौथी किंमत आलेली आहे. एक्सच्या किमती -4 -1 2 5 घेतलेले आहेत. तुम्ही कोणतेही घेऊ शकता आणि अशा पद्धतीने वायच्या किमती काढून ह्या 4 क्रमित जोड्या मिळवा आणि या 4 क्रमित जोड्या आहेत त्या आपण आलेख कागदावर बिंदू स्थापन करूया आणि दोन रेषा एकमेकींना ज्या ठिकाणी इंटरसेप्ट होतात तो म्हणजे ते एक सामायिक समीकरणाची उकल असते. तर चला तर पाहूया आलेख कागदावर हे बिंदू स्थापन करूया. नेक्स्ट सी द एक्झाम्पल नंबर 6. प्लॉट दी coordinate point of xy. First is -1 and -2. This point -1 is x axis and -2 in y axis. This point is here -1 -2. Next 2 0, 2 in x axis and 0 in y axis. Then this point is the here 2 0. 5 2, 5 in x axis and 2 in y axis. 5 2. Then 8 4, 8 in x axis and 4 in y axis. 8 4. Draw straight line on these 4 point. This is the graph of equation 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Then plot the next 4 coordinate of second equation. First is the -4 0, -4 in x axis and 0 in y axis. This point is the here -4 0. The next second point -1 1, -1 in x axis, 1 in y axis. -1 1. 2 2, 2 in x axis, 2 in y axis. And third, fourth point is 5 3, 5 in x axis and 3 in y axis. 5 3. Draw straight line on these 4 point. Here the second graph line of this equation. This equation is 3y minus x is equal to 4. Two lines are intercept in this point 8 4. The value of x is the 8 and value of y is equal to 4. This is the solution of given equation. X is 8 and y is equal to 4. या ठिकाणी दोन रेषा एकमेकींना 8 आणि 4 या बिंदूमध्ये छेदत आहेत. म्हणून याचं उत्तर दी solution of given simultaneous equation is x is equal to 8 and y is equal to 4. अशा पद्धतीने ह्या दिलेल्या समीकरणाची उकल आलेख पद्धतीने x बरोबर 8 व y बरोबर 4 आहे. थँक्स टू ऑल ऑफ यू. धन्यवाद विद्यार्थी मित्रों.